Yes, welcome to the Blue.js students. This is today, as I shown over there, the last class, how we have to execute the Java programs. Today, I'm going to show you how to take an input and then we have to execute the program. So as it is go on, first we have to create a class. So click on the new class. As you have asked, there are so many options we are getting, but basically this is for the different segments of the different classes. So just at this level we have to create a class. So suppose the program is add, this is the name of the class, then click on OK. So we are getting the add class is created just now. Now we have to click on this, double click, so that you finding out by default some of the codes is already written in BlueJ, so definitely you can omit it. So by pressing just Ctrl A and then press delete key. So whatever we have, write it from the beginning as I given in the class. First write give a slash to add two numbers, then we have to go on import java dot util dot star, then we have to go on class, then the class name is here, we have given add. So now here you have to write the comments beside of this one, import java packages, next you have to go for declare class, declare the class. Next we are declaring the class is already started with the braces. Now we have to write it public, as we know it, the significance of this one. So public static void main, then string args, then next line we have to provide the braces. Now as I go for the, here we have to first define the scanner class. As I told it in the class, scanner class you have to use for taking an input with the help of the scanner class. Someone might be asked that instead of OB, can I take object name as SC? Yes, that is no question about it. Now we have to take the variables integer x, y, z. Then we have to give a message for this, what is this, then we have to write it, declare the variables. Next after that we have to give a message, system dot enter the numbers. Next we have to write it x equals to OB is that object, next int. As I told you, this is the main purpose of this one of the scanner class. Now OB dot next int. So beside of there we can write one comments, input the values. Not every segments, but some of the segments we have to highlight it so that any other user might be understand whatever you want to do. Now z equals to x plus y. Since it is very simple program, so might be all of you understand, but in some cases complex program, it might be highlighted the main portion so that any other user can get these at the values. Next we are coming display the result, system dot out. Here we have to write it the ln, because the next line we have to print the answer, sum is plus z semicolon Then you have to write it, the closing braces of men and closing braces of, here we have to display for one comments, display the answer, and here you have to write it, end of men, as well as we have to write it here also, end of class. So after written, as we know that we have to come to the compile it button. So first to compile it, you're finding out is there anything, no class compiled, no syntax errors. Now right after this, whatever you have to go on, we have to close this class. Now you already got it. Now just right click on it, you finding out void main is appearing over there, just click on it. Now here just click on it. This is we call the terminal window, where you have to give the values. Now in the latest version of BlueJ, you finding out the value you have to input at the bottom, that means in this place, here you have to give the value, right? So here suppose the first value I am giving 100, then you have to press the enter. You finding out the value is highlighted over there, then you have to give another value 200. So you are getting, and after that you are finding out the answer is showing 300. So students, like this you have to input the values, and then on the basis of your values it will display the results in the terminal window. So thank you to all of you. Please watch the video properly and practice it, all the Java programs which I was given in the class, and if further any more clarification we will discuss over there. Thank you to all of you. Stay happy, stay home, stay safe.